Hello guys and welcome back to How to Maximize. For today's video, I will show you how to set up confirmation email in Shopify. To start this tutorial, open myshopify.com in your internet browser and make sure you've logged in. Any internet browser from your PC, laptop, or Mac will do. Once in My Shopify, click on the gear icon that says Settings on the lower left. In here, you will need to scroll down. Keep scrolling down. And then in here, look for Notifications. It has a bell icon. Just tap on Notifications. And then the pop-up will reload once again. And then in here, you will scroll down. In here, you will see the notifications for orders, from order confirmation, order edited, order invoice, order canceled, order refund, or all the other orders involved whenever they do something and will be sent an email. Now, if you tap on one, you will see a sample of the email that's going to be sent to your customer. In here, there's an option to edit this one as well. Just tap on the button that says Edit Code. It's on the upper right. In here, you will see an HTML email body together with the email subject. There are options on how to edit this one, but for now, let's look at the entire code by scrolling down. Once you have finished checking up the code, you can now scroll back up. In here, you will close settings. You will now go to the search bar. And from what we have done already, from the body that we have showed you, from there, you can now customize the notification code, depending on whatever you like. If you're a coder, it would be easier for you. Or you could also have another code made by a person who specializes in coding. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe.